Guys, I'm here with Chad and Joe. We're gonna hit up Blue Mountain. I'm testing out the Pivot Switchblade for the weekend. It feels really good so far. I'm gonna process my ticket real quick. I'll meet you guys at on the next one. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think you can go to either one.
Yeah, let me try. Oh wow, there's no freaking dining area here anymore. It takes time to process. Let's see how this Pivot Switchblade turns out to be. I have never ridden 29er before. Today is my first time. My elbow pad on the right is loose. Oh, going sky top. Oh wow. Yeah, that 29er eats it up like it's nothing. Now my elbow pad is falling out. Oh wow. Sketchy. It's a warm up right here. Oh god, no, wrong way. Wow, this bike is it feels so lightweight. It feels so like so easy. '29er could send it. Like I could see how it eats up all the bumps better than the 27.5s I've ridden before. I'm just gonna roll the jumps as the warm up. Hell yeah, dude. This bike is sick. Yo, dude. This bike just eats it up like it's nothing. Freaking 29ers, boys. Yeah, probably gonna get a 29er actually. That's my enduro bike. This bike sends. Hell yeah. Whoa. Whoa. This bike is sick. Oh, goddamn, I'm fine. Yo, I'm fine. Yeah, this bike is so sick. Oh, I need to fix my elbow pad. It's still loose.
Yeah, right? Oh, mine keeps doing the same.
Yeah.
I think I need new ones because they're stretched out.
Yeah.
That feels uncomfortable.
You know, this bike, you could tell I was going fast, but it doesn't feel like you're going too fast. That's good because
It absorbs a lot.
yeah, absorbs good.
Yeah, but that's good. Well, it's a false.
Yes.
It's good and bad.
Security.
Yeah, because be careful once you go too crazy,
Yeah.
the crash is way harder. Yeah. Oh, switch the gears. It's raining again, hell yeah. This bike is sick. And the bike park is sick too. Hell yeah, dude. Whoa, be careful. You may not feel like you're going too fast, but it may be too late if you go too fast and lose control. So the false perception of security at 29er enduro bikes. Be careful, stay steady, focused, and be smooth with your motions. I'm like hauling right now. Normally I wouldn't do that, but the train's dropping. Drop. No. Be careful of the rocks. They're big. Whoa. Just gotta take the right line. Those rocks are huge. You may not be able to tell by the GoPro footage, but dropping this bike. I need a Pivot Switchblade in my life. This is a demo bike, so dropping. This is mud steep right here, but I'm making it. Nice. Oh, I didn't start Strava. I'll start Strava after, it's fun. I haven't started Strava today.
Oh no, just
Yeah, I'll do it after when we go down. That's fine.
Cool.
Good stuff, guys.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. Just be careful, don't go too crazy. Dropping. Dropping. This bike is so steady. Dropping. Whoa, this is good. I love this bike. Soaks it up with ease. Shimano drivetrain. Eagle is overrated as long as the chain doesn't fall. That's what I bought my Eagle for, but I like the Shimano shifting better. Let's go. Don't daydream because you're gonna get smoked if you daydream. I wanna get smoked, so I better pay attention. The climb at the bike park. Another reason why people hate this park because of shit like this, but I love climb, so
yeah, I don't mind it.
I always go uphill and stuff, you know. Even if it's a downhill park, it's good.
Right.
All right, let Joe pass. Joe, go ahead. So I was introduced to Chad via David Flow Thunder USA. I'm talking to the GoPro, by the way.
What's that?
I'm talking to the GoPro. If you guys hear me talk to myself
Okay.
as a GoPro.
I
so-
wasn't sure.
yeah. I was just saying.
Ewok Village. You know Ewok Village?
Yeah, I know that.
This is a fun one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little jumps. I've done some of these jumps. I think I will be okay.
That's good.
Yeah,
After you guys.
pace yourself, whatever works.
Yeah. You guys lead the way. I'll be behind.
Just need a little breather.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. If you take all you want. Oh, sorry, my bad. I'm not trying to rush you guys if you get tired. This is my steep right here, and the jumps are mid-size, so it's nothing to play with. See how well I'm gonna do? Drop, sick, easy peasy. Take it easy. Just slow down here. Walk nice. I'm kind of clearing these jumps. This is leapy. Oh, very leapy. Mad leapy. But I'm doing good. This is a hip jump right here. I'm gonna roll this because it's not an easy jump, but right here it's nice. Nice little double dropping. Dropping. I'm just gonna drop him. Drop him. This is good. Nice. Dropping. Roller coaster. There's a rider behind me going in hard. Dropping. That was so sick. Heck yeah. Oh, what the heck? That was sick. I didn't put the Strava. I gotta put it up.